National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southern Collin County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, Rockwall County in north-central Texas, until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:09 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Duncanville, Rockwall, Lancaster, Farmers Branch, and Bulk Springs. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 411 and 436. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 284. Interstate 20 between mile markers 457 and 492. Interstate 30 between mile markers 38 and 79. Flooding is more likely for areas that received heavy rain on Christmas Eve. Be extra vigilant about flooding if the ground near your location is already saturated. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Now